Hello, trading is closed on the 19th of December 2024. We'll do our disclaimer, go over our calls, make our predictions. It's my trading plan for Friday. It's 20th of December 2024. Please remember, my plans can change. My plans can be wrong. Trade at your own risk. Look for the pattern today with the early low, that's this. Tomorrow has the early high. We said there was a chance for a rally, but I wasn't sure. We got a rally. Didn't stick, but we got a good rally. We said we weren't certain if Tom DeMark's rules applied, but if they did, we should hit 59.47 and change. We hit 59.35 and change, so that fell 12 points short, just a bit under 12 points. Was quite a move up from yesterday's close, but it certainly wasn't the target that we quoted. This is just a reminder of what we said. So the bounce was possible, wasn't guaranteed. Well, during the day, MEJT gave a buy signal and an ultimate buy signal, but had an optional lower target. These things don't have to print, but almost always do. We traded higher, we traded lower, so that's already played out. We're still at support from the TDST line, so we're at support from that. This is a wall. This is the wall with gap. For long, the gap tends to close. We trade under the wall, and that's support. So, once again, we closed at a support level. Now, support doesn't have to hold, but we're at support. We're still at support from this line. That doesn't have to hold either. If you gap under it, then support fails. Otherwise, you should rally, even though the rally doesn't have to stick. And here we thought we might get to 59.47. It came close. In percentage terms, it was darn close, but I'm not counting that. That just didn't work. Well, we're near all kinds of support, but we have all kinds of oversold signals here. I'm going to ignore them. Might be wrong, but when you're this oversold at the end of a big decline, it means everybody wants out. Everyone's thrown in the towel. And when everyone throws in the towel, prices tend to rally. When everyone wants out at the beginning of a move, prices tend to continue dropping. And I think they're going to continue dropping. Doesn't mean we can't rally tomorrow. And if it does, it'll do it without me. Friday's pattern has a early high regardless of where we open. Typically it's a rally day with a high in the final hour. Failure is a straight line drop. We filled the wall with gap patterns, so we're at support, but support doesn't have to hold. We have a number of oversold indicators. Oversold indicators at the end of a move are bullish. Those are bullish signs. When you're this oversold at the start of a move, that's a bearish sign. And I particularly don't like it when it happens this time of the year, when we should be all forces angling to go higher. Breadth actually declined further today, even though we had a rally at one point. Lower prices should be coming. The decline could last weeks to months. Bounces are always possible. I'm just ignoring buy signals for now. I'm just looking for places to enter shorts. You can actually have some pretty good rallies in bear markets, and we're too oversold for me to institute a new short right here. But when you're at the start of a move, I don't like counter-trend trades. And if I miss one, I miss one. I just know if you pick a reasonable place to go short, this decline's not over and I think if you're patient, you'll get paid off. So it's the pattern with the early high. Usually it's a rally day, and that could certainly happen. But if it fails, it's a straight line drop, and I'm just not willing to take the risk. It's the pattern with the early high, and that's today's call.